I'm surrounded by computers and tablets. I've got an iMac, I've got a Windows computer, I've got a Linux laptop, I've got an Android tablet and an iPad. I want to test the compatibility of RE3 on every one of these devices. I've even got a Raspberry Pi. RetinaEngrave 3, also known as RE3, is compatible across the board. This is in most part due to the fact that the software isn't running on your computer, but instead you're using a web browser to open the software, and then it accesses it either across your network or via direct connection. I have my network here set up completely isolated from the internet. The computers, the Raspberry Pi, and the fiber laser are all connected directly via Ethernet. The tablets are going to be connected via Wi-Fi. I'm going to start with the Windows computer, hide all the other layers, and engrave one by one. I have all the layers hidden. I'm going to check my settings and then I'm going to run the job. Now that we've done the Windows engraving, let's do it on Linux. This version of Linux is Ubuntu. Looks good, let's run it. Now that we've got the Linux engraving done, let's move on to the iMac. All right, that engraving looks good. Let's move on to Android. The Android engraving looks good, so let's move to the iPad. All right, the iPad engraving worked great. Let's move on to the Raspberry Pi. This Raspberry Pi is a Pi 4. It's running Raspbian. Enable the Raspberry Pi logo, get rid of that Apple logo. Here we go. Excellent. So iMac, Windows, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Android, iPad, it all worked great, no problems. There are many amazing things about RE3, such as its cross-compatibility between the Muse and P-Series lasers, its ease of use, and its built-in design capabilities. And did I mention that there's no internet required? So if you have a computer or a device that can run an up-to-date web browser, you're good to go. If you'd like to test the software for yourself, we will link the online trial version in the description below.